Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alives and you are watching YouTube channel Alevelcams. In this lecture we are given two polar equations where A and B are non-zero real constant. These polar equations represent the two straight lines. So we have to determine their Cartesian equation. So it is quite easy to do it. We have R by A is secant theta and R by B is cosecant theta. You can write R by A is 1 by cos, it is the reciprocal, and it is reciprocal of sin theta. Understand? You can rewrite this equation R cos theta is A and R sin theta is B. So students, you know that for any point P x y coordinate, this is y, this is x, and it is r. So r cos theta means x by r is r cos theta. So you can write this is equal to x and r sin is y. This is your answer. We will see that what it tells us. X is equal to A means the line parallel to y-axis. The line parallel to y-axis, let's say A is positive, then the line parallel to y-axis is this. If A is negative, then line parallel to y-axis is lie on left side of the y-axis. And similarly, if you have y equal to b, what does it mean? Line parallel to x-axis in coordinate plane. So if B is positive, line will be above the x-axis and below for B is negative. So this is the complete solution of your question.